So if we can solve 80% of people's problems, the 20% that aren't going to get solved probably don't need microformats. Finally, we have a community, and as you might know, when you have a large number of eyeballs, the number of bugs can actually be solved. If you have a problem and you want to actually represent data in your HTML page, whether it's on your blog or whether it's on a corporate intranet or wherever it is, right? The way to actually go through it is to pick a simple, specific problem and define it. Spell it out. I want to represent ISBN. Second, and this is actually really critical, and this differentiates us from a number of the other processes out there. We actually look at behavior. Microformats are created not based on what we think is best, but based on what people actually do. And so we go out and we look at all the different possibilities. So for example, like MySpace, where people are actually putting out lists of their favorite bands and their favorite songs. They've looked at Last.fm, they looked at iTunes, they looked at all these different sources and documented them on the wiki so that we actually can see how we came to a conclusion at some point. And then finally, you actually want to, if somebody's already come up with a good standard that works, for example, B-card or H-card, or I'm sorry, B-card or H-calendar, or I-calendar is what it is. Use those things. People have already gone through a lot of work, you know. Reuse it. Don't invent. Don't fall into the trap of saying, oh well, it must be invented here for it to be any good.